So we're going to write the equation of the function in this form with a, h, and k. So I have blanks here, and here's the graph. So let's start with the center, okay, of this. And hk helps us find that new center. So these two numbers are your hk, are your shift, because normally your graph's right here. So to get right here, didn't it go right 4 and down 2? Okay, now hk, these are called hk. So this is your h and this is your k. And h is your x, your left right, isn't left right x. And k is your y, right here. See, h is your x, k is the y change. So how did we shift left and right? We shifted right 4, but when you look at the function, doesn't the negative mean you do the opposite of that? So since this is a right 4, the opposite of right 4 would be negative 4. So I put a negative 4 right here. So this is going to be a negative 4. Because I went right 4, which is the positive, I do opposite. But on the outside is this negative 2. Out here, see how it says positive k? And we went down 2. So we simply put on the outside, we are going to stick with a negative 2 on the outside. So that one, we keep the sign, but on the inside, we do the opposite. So hk, h goes here, k goes there, just h is opposite. Now, on the outside here is your a value. That's your vertical stretch or shrink and possible flips. So if we look at this, from this dot, when we went one step over, a cubic normally goes up 1. That's the normal. But in this situation, when we went over 1, it didn't go up 1, it went 1, 2, 3. So for this particular one, what you should notice is you're actually going over 1 and up 3. So if you're going up 3, that's your a value. That's the change is happening to it. So it's amplifying by a 3 or a vertical stretch of 3. So we made our equation. Your a is 3. Your h is 4, but you write the opposite, and your k is negative 2. Let's try this one. So this is your new center, so hk. So we have h and k. So since this is a negative 2, right here, don't we put the opposite positive 2? So let's put positive 2. Since this is a positive 3 here for k, don't we keep the positive on it and call it a plus 3? And then for the outside, the a value, well, normally when you go to the right, you go up 1. But this time you're going right, you're going down 1. Okay, so on this one, you're going to the right 1 and you're going down 1. So isn't that like a negative 1? You're going over 1, down 1. So that would be in front, you have a negative 1. Because that is a flip. You didn't stretch it, you just flipped it.